So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called Get Upside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called Get Upside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. All right, this is picking up this rider here. Hopefully she's cool. Hi.
Hey, are you Dylan?
Yes.
For Celine?
What?
For Celine?
Yeah, get in.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I've had a bad day, so.
Oh, well, what's going on?
Where are you going?
I'm gonna go to Walgreens down the street a little bit.
Okay. Should we go?
What's going on? Why are you upset?
I don't know, just nothing. You wouldn't understand.
Why? No, come on, it's okay. Tell me. I mean,
Just had a really bad couple of days, you know.
What happened?
Well, I was seeing. Are you?
It's fine. I'm a psychology major in college, so.
You're a psychology major?
Yeah, I'm a psych major.
You're probably analyzing me already. You're probably judging me.
Not judging, just analyzing. I don't know. I like talking to people.
Okay, well, I lost my job, so I decided to be a driver. Okay, this is not anything I would ever imagine myself doing. It's like, first I'm like working my way up, and then I don't know. Sometimes I don't feel good, so I just stop showing up to work here and there, and then I don't know. Then I was started on a probation. It was like 90 days probation, and then
probation for what?
No, like. It's like when you start a new job, they put you on it, like you have to kind of prove yourself at first, so.
Oh, I thought you meant like you were on probation.
No.
I thought it was funny.
It's not funny.
Sorry, I didn't.
Okay, this is serious. It's like.
Oh, I didn't mean to.
Anyways, I didn't pass, and I had no choice, so now I'm doing Postmates and.
Uber's not that bad, and Postmates, like, you know, people need rides and food. Like, hey, it's a job.
Yeah, but just sit down all day. I don't ever meet anyone.
Well, I mean, you're meeting me.
Yeah, but it's not like you're gonna like hang out with me.
But you'll meet tons of people, and you know, like that'll want to be your friend.
Yeah, but they're not like real friends, you know. They probably just want me for the ride, you know.
They just want you for the ride. I don't think that's a thing. You can't give free like Uber rides. You just are being in the car with somebody.
Well, usually I just give everyone free rides because I just feel bad, you know. And I want them to be my friend.
Wow, it sounds like you're a really nice person. There's no need to be like upset. Like that's something really cool.
Will you hang out with me at least? Jeez.
Yeah, totally. Maybe. I don't live here. That was my friend's house.
Okay, so.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, and then everybody's just so mean to me. It's like, they're always like, oh, you're in such a bad mood. Oh, yo, lighten up. Oh. And then my rating's going, so I'd probably lose this job too. And then, you know, I'm just trying to make rent. You know, I still live with my mom. I still
with your mom?
Well, yeah.
Oh.
I mean,
how old are you?
30. Almost.
Really? That's cool. That's cool. Moms are cool.
Well, she lets me crash there. I still have to pay $100, which is like, geez, mom. Like, at least I feel like it should be free, you know?
$100. I mean,
it's so expensive. Like, jeez.
Wow. Like, wow. That's.
She's letting me borrow her Prius, so that's what I'm using.
Oh, that's a vibe. That's a vibe. You live with your mom. In the basement, probably.
Oh, you're probably this is so embarrassing.
No, it's fine.
Can you not laugh? Can you not laugh at me? Seriously. This is my livelihood, okay?
I'm not laughing. I'm just.
Okay, well, whatever you're doing.
It's kind of hot in here. Do you think we could open a window or something? Like, I'm like kind of sweating. My palms are sweating.
No.
It's like really hot in here.
I don't want the window down, okay? It's my car, my rules.
Whoa, dude. There's no need to be like rude. There's no need to be rude.
You're giving me attitude.
I'm not giving you attitude, dude. You're giving me attitude. I've just been talking to you and like trying to be friendly.
Oh, you're trying to be friendly? Offer me advice?
Yeah.
And you laugh at me.
I didn't laugh. What the hell are you talking about? Bro, can you... It's just hot.
Sorry, I made a wrong turn, so I have to go back. Please don't report me.
I'm gonna be late, dude. I'm not gonna report you. Like, as long as you just... Could you at least open the windows? Like, it would help. I'd really appreciate it. I'm really hot.
You have a finger. Open the window yourself. Okay? Jeez.
What the fuck, dude? Okay. Alright, you know, I get that you're upset and all, but the way you're talking to me is not okay. Like, dude.
I'm sorry, okay? I just had a really bad couple of days.
Bro, if you want people to respect you, though, like, you can't talk to people like that. You need to be nicer, dude.
Not even my mom likes me, okay? I text her and she freaking R-bombs me.
What the hell does that even mean?
She left me on red.
Left you on red? Your mom left you on red?
Yeah, it's called an R-bomb. Get with it.
I've never heard of that, dude. Fuck you. What the hell? Bro, I don't know, man. You're kind of...
You honestly remind me of her.
Wow. It sounds like you have some...
And not in a good way either.
Bro, okay, you know what? You're being really confrontational right now, and I'm starting to feel kind of uncomfortable. Like, I don't like the way you're talking to me.
You're probably just like another...
No.
Oh, I get so offended over everything.
Wow. Dude, you know what? No, you're being hella disrespectful.
Take a chill pill.
No, you take a chill pill, dude.
I don't have any. Chill pills aren't even real.
You need a fucking chill pill. You need a chill pill. You need to go and you need to study some psychology because you have issues, dude.
You know what?
You're fucking rude. You know what?
I'm gonna drop you off right here. There's a gas station. You can order a new ride.
I literally paid for this Uber. I paid for this Uber and I have places to be later. I need to go. You need to just go. I'm not gonna sit here and wait for you. No.
Okay.
No, I'm not calling another Uber. Take me to my destination.
Well,
take me to my... No.
I just canceled it. I'm sorry.
What the fuck? Dude, I need to go. What is your problem?
Stop. Okay, I can't do this.
No, what the hell, bro? No, don't shush me. Don't shush me.
My doctor says I can't hear loud noises.
You shush.
Stop.
You like that?
No. Get out. Get out of my car.
No, I'm not.
Get out of my car.
Take me to my
Do not touch me.
No,
this is on camera. This is on camera.
I don't give a fuck.
Get out of my car. The ride's over.
Fuck you. Fuck your camera.
The ride's over. Get out.
Like, no.
Get out of... Ow! Ow! Get out.
I'm getting out. Fucking World Star. Fuck this guy. He's crazy.
Get out of my car.
Star. Fuck you, bro. Fuck